Welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here at Country Chevrolet, and you know what time it is. Look, today I have a very unique pearl beige metallic 2022 GMC Yukon Denali. This thing is absolutely gorgeous, mixed with these 22-inch black wheels and black emblems. It's mind-blowing how gorgeous this is. Like, I lose words every time I try to make these videos. You have the dark brown and dark gray interior. You have memory seats, power locks and windows and mirrors with blind spot monitoring, an amazing Bose stereo system. You come inside here and it is leather. You have this gorgeous colored touchscreen with Google built in, so you have Google Maps, Google Assistant, Play Store, 360 camera system. Oh, that's the phone, sorry. 360 camera system all the way around. You have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is wireless. You have wireless charging down here. Heated and vented seats. Here's your climate control. Right here, all the settings with dual climate. Come back up here, and this is your gears. It's a little unusual. A lot of the GM products that go into these, but that's your gear. You have the trailing lights app. It helps you with your trailer lights. I'm making sure they still work properly and they're not out. Come over here and you have heated steering wheel. You have adaptive cruise control. So you have your gap adjustment. You have your Bluetooth and your menu settings. And audio controls behind the steering wheel. This 2022 does have 78,000 miles. It was a demo for the owner's daughter. It is kept up in great shape, and you still have pretty much almost the entire factory warranty on it. Come over here. This is for your heads-up display. You might be able to see it. There it is. 15-inch colored display. This will be your parking sensors, your start and stop, your lane keep assist. It's just four-wheel drive, things like that. Let's move back here. This is third row. You have captain seats in the middle here. These two captain seats are heated. This is your rear climate with charging ports. Third row, so you can fit 7. This is what it'll look like with it, and they lay flat in case you need more room. I'll show you that here in a minute. This thing has remote start, and it has a hands-free liftgate on the remote, and there's a button inside on the driver door. It has all-weather GMC floor mats and buttons right here that they're automotive. This is what it'll look like if it's laid down flat. So you have plenty of room. You have plenty of room for luggage for a weekend trip. We can get away with the kids or something. Or if you don't have the kids and you need more room, you have plenty of room back here. Fold that down flat, put some more luggage. Now I promise you, this thing will not last long. I mean, it has a 6.2 liter V8. This pearl beige and this black, it's just gorgeous. I mean, it absolutely is. And this video and these pictures on the website will not do it justice, I promise you. And this thing will not last long. So my number's down in the description. Just call, text me, it's talk numbers to make a deal. Let's take this thing home. Wait till the end of the video and you'll have more information. Website, our social media links, check those out. Look at all the other vehicles that we have. And yeah, I mean, just let me know. Act fast, because our inventory is always changing. Keep an eye. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.